Question 1. What is Amazon Kinesis? The correct answer is B, real-time data streaming service. Question 2. What are the Kinesis services? The correct answer is C, data streams, Firehose, analytics, video streams. Question 3. What is Kinesis data streams? The correct answer is B, real-time data ingestion and processing. Question 4. What is a Kinesis shard? The correct answer is B, unit of throughput capacity. Question 5. What is the shard capacity? The correct answer is A, 1 megabyte per second in, 2 megabytes per second out. Question 6. What is the maximum record size? The correct answer is C, 1 megabyte. Question 7. What is data retention and data streams? The correct answer is B, 24 hours, default, up to 365 days. Question 8. What is a partition key? The correct answer is B, determined shard routing. Question 9. What is a sequence number? The correct answer is B, unique record identifier. Question 10. Does Kinesis guarantee order? The correct answer is B, yes, within a shard. Question 11. What is Kinesis Firehose? The correct answer is B, load streaming data to destinations. Question 12. Does Firehose require shard management? The correct answer is B, no, fully managed. Question 13. What destinations does Firehose support? The correct answer is C, S3, Redshift, OpenSearch, HTTP endpoints. Question 14. Can Firehose transform data? The correct answer is B, yes, with Lambda. Question 15. What is Firehose buffer size? The correct answer is B, 1 to 128 megabytes. Question 16. What is Firehose buffer interval? The correct answer is B, 60 to 900 seconds. Question 17. What is Kinesis data analytics? The correct answer is B, real-time analytics with SQL/Flink. Question 18. What languages does data analytics support? The correct answer is C, SQL and Apache Flink, Java, Scala, Python. Question 19. Can data analytics read from data streams? The correct answer is B, yes. Question 20. What is Kinesis video streams? The correct answer is B, ingest and process video streams. Question 21. What encryption does Kinesis use? The correct answer is B, KMS with ICE 256. Question 22. What is enhanced fan-out? The correct answer is B, dedicated 2 megabytes per second per consumer. Question 23. What protocol does enhanced fan-out use? The correct answer is B, HTTP/2-push. Question 24. What is the Kinesis Producer Library, KPL? The correct answer is B, High Performance Producer with batching. Question 25. What is the Kinesis Client Library, KCL? The correct answer is B, Distributed Consumer with checkpointing. Question 26. Where does KCL store checkpoints? The correct answer is B, DynamoDB. Question 27. What is shard splitting? The correct answer is B, divide one shard into two. Question 28. What is shard merging? The correct answer is B, combine two shards into one. Question 29. How long does resharding take? The correct answer is B, few seconds to minutes. Question 30. What is on-demand capacity mode? The correct answer is B, autoscales with 4 megabytes per second default. Question 31. What is provision capacity mode? The correct answer is B, manually specify shard count. Question 32. How does Lambda poll Kinesis? The correct answer is B, event source mapping. Question 33. What is Lambda batch window? The correct answer is B, wait time to accumulate records. Question 34. Can Kinesis use VPC endpoints? The correct answer is B, yes, for private access. Question 35. What does Kinesis agent do? The correct answer is B, monitors log files and sends to Kinesis. Question 36. What is a shard iterator? The correct answer is B, position in stream for reading. Question 37. What is get records throughput limit? The correct answer is B, 2 megabytes per second per shard, shared. Question 38. What does put record return? The correct answer is B, shard ID and sequence number. Question 39. What is KPL aggregation? The correct answer is B, combines multiple records into one. Question 40. What is the put records limit? The correct answer is B, 500 records or 5 megabytes per request. Question 41. Can Kinesis replicate across regions? The correct answer is B, manual with consumers/producers. Question 42. What are shard hour charges? The correct answer is B, cost per shard per hour. Question 43. What is put payload unit? The correct answer is B, 25 kilobytes chunk of data. Question 44. What compression does Firehose support? The correct answer is B, zip, snappy, zip, Hadoop snappy. Question 45. Can Firehose convert JSON to Parquet? The correct answer is B, yes, using schema from Glue. Question 46. What CloudWatch metrics does Kinesis provide? The correct answer is B, incoming records, outgoing records, etc. Question 47. What is Kinesis use case? The correct answer is B, real-time log/event processing. Question 48. What SDK operations does Kinesis support? The correct answer is B, put record, get records, list shards, etc. Question 49. Does Kinesis encrypt data at rest? The correct answer is B, yes, with KMS. Question 50. What is the maximum consumers per shard? The correct answer is B, 5 with standard, unlimited with fan out. How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.